Hi guys, you are welcome back to Take It 35. In this video, I'll be illustrating to you on how to reset locked Android phone password without losing your data. So I'll be using two steps to illustrate how to unlock any locked Android phone. The first step is to use a 4-digit PIN. The second will follow with 6-digit PIN. Disclaimer: this video was created only for educational purposes only. Please do not use it for any criminal activities. So the first thing we have to do in order to unlock this locked Android phone is to locate your emergency section. Here is the code to dial. Carefully follow this video in order to unlock your phone at the end of the video. The code is *500406584 *73086179#. Dial the code. On your screen you can see that can't call, it is not an emergency number. Do not worry, click on OK. So after doing that, you have to leave the emergency section, exit the emergency section. After you might have exit the emergency section, return to the emergency section and dial this code, but this time you have to input *05# at the end of the code. Repeat the code and add *05# at the end of the code. The code once again is *500465840686179*05#. Simply dial the code. Just like what we experienced earlier, it is telling us can't call this code, is not an emergency number. So after you might have encountered this, you have to wait for 20 seconds. When you are done waiting for 20 seconds, you have to locate the pin menu, the pin screen, input this pin 5025. Try to unlock with this pin. It is telling us wrong pin. So we have to return to the emergency section of the phone. Return to the emergency section of the phone. This time, this is the code to unlock the phone with, or to dial. When we dial this code, automatically it will usher us to the last step in order to unlock this phone. So the code to dial this time is *866526901 *000. That is 000-520-68#. So after dialing this code, you have to send it. On your screen, you can see that can't call is not an emergency number. Press OK. After pressing OK, do not worry. You have to wait for 20 seconds. While waiting, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, Take It 35, please subscribe. When you subscribe, it will help you to stay updated each time we drop a new content. Like this video, drop any comments, especially questions, and we'll be glad to reply them. So after waiting for 20 seconds, you have to go back to the pin menu and dial this code. Don't forget that I told you the last emergency session we entered was to usher us into the last phase of the video before we can unlock our phone. So the pin to use in unlocking our phone is 5024. Congratulations, your phone has been unlocked. As you can see, all our data is intact. Subscribe, share, comment wherever you have issue. Stay put while we unveil the second step in few seconds. To unlock the Android phone with a 6-digit pin, you have to head to your emergency. After heading to emergency, this is the code to dial. Please carefully dial this code in order not to make any mistake. The code to dial is star 8466668529 star 00009190 hash. Simply dial it. So on your screen, you can see that can't call this code is not an emergency number. Click on OK. So when you click on OK, you have to wait for 15 to 25 seconds. While waiting, please subscribe to this channel. If you are yet to like this video, click the share button, comment wherever you have issues because we will reply with answers to your questions. So when you are done waiting for 15 to 25 seconds, you have to go back to the emergency section of the phone. So going back to the emergency section of the phone, you have to dial the same code as we did earlier, but this time you have to add star 5050 hash. So we go again, repeat same code star 84. This time permit me to be fast. Star 846666 8529 star 00009190 star 5050 hash. Please dial this code without error. So when you are done dialing this code, you have to send the code. Let's check out for the result. The results on the screen is can't call this number, is not an emergency number. So when you are done, click on OK. You have to wait for 15 seconds. After waiting for 15 seconds, return to the pin menu. So on the pin menu, this is the pin or this is the code to dial, or while trying to unlock the phone, you have to input 916202. Try to unlock. On your screen it is written wrong pin or wrong password, so don't get yourself pissed. What you have to do next is to return to the emergency section. On the emergency section, you have to dial this code. If you have watched my previous videos, you see that each phone or each process has its own code. This code enables the pin or the forgotten password to be broken. So what you need to dial in this emergency section this time is this code star 00069 *68 122 *0003659#. Carefully input the rightful code in order not to make any error. So while doing this, click on the send button on your screen. Equally, you can as well see can't call this code is not an emergency number. Click on OK. This time you have to wait for 20 seconds. While waiting, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click the share button, comment the questions you have, and I'll gladly reply to them. So before we input the code that will unlock our phone, simply drop down your screen to put the phone on airplane mode. The airplane mode is activated. So return to the pin menu or pin screen to input this code or pin to unlock your phone. So the pin to input is 8092 0, then use capital letter C. Your phone has been unlocked and all the data on the phone are intact. Congratulations. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, check out this playlist for more interesting videos. Don't forget that you can repeat this video from the 4-digit pin to the 6-digit pin to fully understand where we have missed out. Check out this channel for more interesting videos.